for the last 5 days, and I was getting phone number clicks on my website, but I was not really getting phone calls. You can see it's 15 clicks, but no phone call.
Okay, so there's no phone calls, and you spent like how much? $120 as of now, right?
Yes.
Let's quickly analyze this and just have some quick fix. You can see most of your traffics is coming from unknown people, which means that either they are bots or your competitors, or maybe some advertisers who are just scrolling or browsing through VPN. So let's fix that. This is the site link. You can see that this is in the right panel. You can see your ad and site link test. This feature lets you expand your ad, so it will improve your CTR. All right. So in site link text, just type something related to your service. For example, book last minute flights. Yeah, so this is going to be the first call for the onboarding for the paid consultancy that you chose for your Google ad. Let me just give you the brief that we will discuss your initial campaign setup that you have already done. And we will see your landing page. Call will be of 60 minutes, and after this call you will have the written notes that you can follow to improve the campaign based on the today's analysis, right? Can you go to the campaigns, please? So this is saying in conversion it's 8 conversion, 4 conversion, and 4 conversion, which means you must have got some calls.
No, it's getting phone number clicks, but it's not. They're not calling. No calls is coming in.
No calls
Let
are
me
coming.
open it.
Okay, can you go?
Yes, I'm coming.
Okay. Just go to the campaign again, please. Again, go to column, go to call details. We have all the keyword that has brought you calls till now, right? So you can see
Yes.
1, 2,
Last minute FL.
Yeah.
And last minute FL.
Yeah. So these two keywords has brought you the calls till now. This is a very important and crucial step that I'm explaining. So you have to do it like almost every 2 to 3 days initially. All right. So what it does is we will filter the bad system so that it doesn't bring you the bad kind of traffic. Yeah, so you can see that 6.4% and 17.6% are the people who are from the computer, but for these kind of campaigns, these are not the one that we want to target, right?
Yes.
So just go there, just go to devices.
Yes. I'm learning a lot of things right now.
Thank you so much.
It's
Kelvis.
very good. Yes.
Thank you so much. Can you just make the structure snippet? For example, flight to Paris, flight to Berlin, flight to London, something like that. Type it, please.
Okay. Can I add more?
You can if you want, but for now I will just want you to hit apply so that we can move forward. And what happens here is after you apply, it actually increases your campaign's overall ranking. Although it doesn't matter, but always good to have right type of recommendation implemented. Right now, let's fix that why you were getting most of the clicks but not the calls.
Yes.
On the first call today, we have done basic campaign hygiene, keyword refinement, fixed your audience targeting, demographic, negative keywords, and conversion as well. So, and we also set up some assets. So how do you feel about the call today?
I'll run the ad.
Okay, just keep an eye on your Calendly email thread. I will be replying to that thread and will send you the report based on the learning that we did today and the actionable steps that you can follow to make your account performance even better for future run. And I would recommend that we should be connecting for our second call after at least run this campaign for at least 2 weeks, and then let's connect on the second call and see that how we can fix or improve the campaign from there. All right.
Okay.
All right. Any final words that you have for me, or you have something to ask? Please go on.
No, you have answered all my questions already. Oh, so I have another question.
Yep.
Is it a good start, or should I have targeted flight booking, like just direct flight booking and expert?
Actually, yeah, it's a good start because it brings the people who are willing to fly. They are not just seeking the price. The best quality that you can get are from the calls that are targeted for flight changes, but do not do it for this because a bit more expensive offer. So if you get a better payout, then only go for those campaigns. You can do one more thing, which is adding a different campaign altogether. It will be easier for you to understand that which one is performing better for you.
So I should.
Yeah, so I would suggest that you make campaign number 2 with my keywords and add the negative keyword list that we just made, and let's see that how the both campaigns performs. I'll send you the reports that I promised, and you will see everything that is required to make your campaigns better. Okay, that sounds good.
So this is my campaign right now. I can play it to keep on.
Exactly, it is perfectly there.
Thank you very much.
It was nice talking to you. I wish you a great day.